In this video, I am going to show you how to build your first website and deploy it in Vercel by using ChatGPT and Lovable AI. So, in this video, I am going to explain how to generate a detailed PRD file for your website by using ChatGPT. After generating that PRD file, you need to open Lovable AI and paste the PRD file, and the Lovable AI will generate the entire code for your website. After generating the entire code for your website, you need to push that code into your GitHub account. The GitHub account is a where you can store your code of your website easily, like Google Photos for your photos. So after pushing your code to GitHub account, you need to deploy that website. For deployment, Vercel is the best platform where you can host for free. So you need to connect your GitHub account to your Vercel account. After connecting that, you can easily import your website repository in Vercel account so that easily deploy your website in Vercel. So I am starting with the ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Describe what you want to build, and in the ending of the passage, you need to write like this: generate a PRD file for the above website. So I am building a water plant website. So I am writing like this: I am building a water plant website. Generate generate a PRD file for above website. So the ChatGPT will generate entire PID file for the water plant website. After generating the PID file for your website, you need to open new tab in your browser. Open new tab in your browser and search for Lovable AI. Lovable AI. After searching for Lovable AI, if you have an account in Lovable AI, you need to click on login button. If you don't have an account, you will easily create by clicking on this get started button. By using Google account or GitHub, okay, you will able to create an account in Lovable AI. I have an account in Lovable AI, so that I am logging in with my Google account. So after clicking on login with, you are able to log in Lovable AI. After logging in Lovable AI, you need to copy the entire PRD file of your website and open Lovable AI and paste this entire PRD file in this prompt box and click on this arrow. The Lovable AI will able to build your website. I am clicking on this arrow button. The Lovable AI will create the entire website. So it is thinking about the website. So wait for 4 to 5 minutes, the website will build by Lovable AI. So it will generate all the files you require. So if you did not have an account in GitHub, please create by using Google so that you can easily push the code from Lovable AI to your GitHub account. So you can easily access your code whenever you want. And if you have a code in your GitHub account, you will easily deploy in Vercel. So you need to push the code from Lovable AI to the GitHub account. So Lovable AI will generate only the website. After waiting 4 to 5 minutes, the website is ready. So you can see here the design, the everything looks pretty good. With one single prompt, I generated the entire website. By using ChatGPT, I generated the entire PRD file. I just pasted that PRD file into Lovable AI. It generated the entire website for me. Everything, contacts, images, everything looks good. After creating the website in Lovable AI, you need to push this code into GitHub account. So you need to click on sync your project to GitHub account. After clicking on that, you need to click on connect to GitHub account. You will see here connect your project to GitHub account. I already connected my GitHub account to Lovable AI. Now I am connecting my project to GitHub account. So click on connect project. You will see here select your organization. So I am selecting my organization. After clicking on select organization, you need to click on this transfer anyway, so that the Lovable AI will transfer the entire project to your GitHub account, entire project code to your GitHub account. Click on transfer anyway. After clicking on transfer anyway, you will see an URL. See a URL in this Lovable AI. You will click on view, so you can see here the entire code of the website will in the GitHub account. After after pushing the code to GitHub account, you need to open Vercel in GitHub. Search for Vercel. If you don't have an Vercel account, please create by using GitHub account. If you create by using GitHub account, you need not to connect your GitHub account to the Vercel account. If you create with Google account, you need to connect your GitHub account to the Vercel account, so that the uh, repositories will see in your Vercel account. So I have already an account in Vercel. I already connected my GitHub account to Vercel account. So after creating your Vercel account, you can see here add new project. Click on this add new project and select a project. After selecting that, you can see here all repositories of your uh, GitHub account. Oh, so recently we built the Aquaflow solutions. So click on this import button. After clicking on this import button, you will see here new project, and you can change your project name. The framework will automatically select. After that, you can click on deploy button. Clicking on deploy button, wait for 2 to 4 minutes. The website will automatically deploy in your Vercel account. So the website is deployed in Vercel account. You need to click on just continue to dash mode. The you will redirect to the dashboard, and you can see here the domain of the deployed website. Simply click on that. You will redirect to the website. Here is the new website we built by using Lovable AI and ChatGPT.